So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open an RESP account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to scroll down on the main screen here to where it says add an account. Once you're here, go ahead and press on that, then press on open a new account. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to scroll down to where it says RESP, Save for Your Child's Education. Earnings are tax-free. Go ahead and press on this. Now, once you're here, if you want to create your RESP, there's two different options. There's the stocks, options, and ETF side, where you can go ahead and buy different stocks, options, and ETFs inside of your RESP. Or there's also the managed portfolio. So you can select whatever one you're looking for. But pretty much you can go ahead, press that, follow the steps that way, and then proceed with the opening up of your RESP account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open an RESP on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.